All right, everyone, I finally have time to get to all these DIY kits. So if you have not been following along, about a month ago, I put a call to action out to other makers out there to send me your DIY kits, and I have several. So the first one we're going to do is from Danny over at the Knotted Bug. Here's her page. Be sure to show her some love and give her a follow. And she sent me a string art kit, which I've never done before. I'm excited. So I picked one off her website that was patriotic themed since summer's coming. So follow me along. My first time, my first attempt at string art.
All right, so I'm just going to open this kit and see what's inside. It looks like we have a board and all of the string we need, a packet of nails, hanger, and instructions. So the nice thing about this kit for me as a beginner is that the nail holes were already in the wood. The pattern was already there. So I just simply had to place the nails in all of the holes. So this was a fairly simple process. I just put all the nails in, and then once I had all of them in the holes, I went back and pounded each one a little more just to make sure that they were all an even height. You also want to make sure they're straight up and down and not sideways. Next, I took the string and I got the knot started. The knot was the hardest part of the process. I just got it on there and gave it a little trim. So after I got the knot figured out, I just started the pattern, and it took a little while for my eye to see the correct way to do the string, but I just looked at the picture on the pattern given and I quickly figured it out, and from then on it was an easy process. And the nice thing about this kit is you're given a lot of string. So as I went around the star, I kept pushing it down the nails and then just kept building that color over and over until, oops, you can see a little mistake I made there, which is easy to correct. I just kept building that color higher and higher until I ran out of string. So again, at the end, you have to tie a little knot, and that is the hardest part for me. Otherwise, this was pretty easy, and you can secure that knot with a little bit of glue if you need to. So I'm going to just kind of fast forward this white one. I just repeated that pattern, and then onto the red. Now, I will admit, when I was putting those nail holes in at first, I didn't know that the pattern would work out. They just didn't look like they were placed right, but I just trusted the process, and it worked out amazing. So I'm going to finish up this red star, and I have to say that this whole process only took me about 15 minutes. It's a great beginner project.